we are going to play a mind game. The name of the game is Sudoku. Basically, it is a grid of 9 by 9. That means we will have 9 rows and 9 columns. Now, each box is known as cell, and in total we will have 81 cells. So children, here I have given you one unsolved Sudoku. Today we are going to solve it. Now let me first explain you block. So basically observe these cells. We have 9 cells in one block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 cells in one block, and in this complete 9 by 9 grid we have 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So today we are going to solve it. But before starting with the solution, I want to tell you some very important points about it. So the first point is that the idea behind Sudoku is to fill in the numbers 1 to 9 in each row, each column and each block. That means in the given Sudoku we have different rows and columns, so we need to fill number 1 to 9 in this particular row as well as number 1 to 9 in this particular column. And now let us see the second point. Use all the numbers 1 to 9 without repeating a number in each row and column. So children, that means without repeating we have to fill in each row and each column. Remember, every block will have numbers 1 to 9. They can only appear once in a block, row and column. So this is the basic trick which we need to follow while solving a Sudoku. So let us begin with the solution now. So children, in this Sudoku we have several numbers already filled in several cells. So firstly I am going to observe the row or the column which has maximum numbers. So here I can see that 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 3, 2, 1. So let me first begin with this. I am going to identify where I should fill 1 in this column. So 1 is already given in this row, so I will not be taking here. Then 1. Okay, so let's start with filling 1 here. Now let me start with finding out the position of number 2. So children, what do you guess? Where should I write 2? Here? No, because 2 is already written. So I am going to fill in number 2 in which row or which column? We have to find it out. So 2 is already given here, so we will not fill it here. So let us begin by writing 2 in this cell. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now 4 is missing. So we will be, I guess 4 is not given here. So we can fill 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have this or we have this option. Let us fill in 6. Then we have 7, 8 and 9 on the top. So similarly our one column is filled. Now moving on, let us find out the answer for the next. So now let us start with this row. So here we have number 1 and number 2. That means we have to write number 3. We have this option, either this, as in this row we don't have 3, in this row we don't have 3. Then this, as an option we also have this cell, but here we have 3, so we cannot write 3 here. 5 is already written, we cannot write 3 here as in this row 3 is already given. So, and we have this. So out of these 4 options we are having, let us begin by writing 3 in this. Now after 3 we have 4, And for filling up 4, we don't have this option, we don't have this, not this. So we have 1, 2 and 3 options. So let us start by writing 4 here. Now we have 5. Now we have to fill in 6. So we have this option, this row, or either this row and the top row. So let us start by writing. We can write here, but as in this block 6 is already given, so we don't have this option. So in this block we can write, as 6 is not given in this block, but in this block again we have 6, so we cannot write 6 in this block too. So we are only left with this option. So we will write 6. Then after 6 we have 7. So in this block we already have 7, so we will not fill it, and so we are going to fill 7 in this. Now that means we are left with 8 and 9. So for 8 and 9 we have only this block left. So we have 8, and then we have 9. So we are able to complete. That means you have to look for the complete block, so that you will not repeat any of the number from 1 to 9. Then you have to look at the column as well as at the row to complete your Sudoku. Similarly, you will continue with all other parts and you will solve it. So here is the solved answer for the Sudoku we were solving. So you will continue and you will practice similar type of Sudokus. One more example I am giving you here. So this is again one Sudoku exercise for you. You can draw the Sudoku in any of your notebook, and you have to continue using the same technique which we have learned for solving this out. Take the help of your parent to draw it, and you can solve it independently yourself with the help of the tricks we have applied. All the best, children. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.